Imagine waking up one day and realizing you can't go to work due to an injury or illness. How would you pay your bills or support your family? That's where disability insurance comes in. In this video, we'll break down what disability insurance is, why it matters, and how it works if you suddenly find yourself unable to work. We'll walk through the basics, the different types of coverage, and what you need to know to protect your income and peace of mind. Let's get started by understanding the core concept of disability insurance. Disability insurance is a type of coverage designed to replace a portion of your income if you become unable to work due to illness or injury. It acts as a financial safety net, helping you cover everyday expenses like rent, groceries, and bills when you can't earn your regular paycheck. There are different types of disability insurance, but the main goal is always the same: to provide income support during tough times. Let's explore the different types of disability insurance available. Disability insurance comes in two main forms: short-term and long-term. Short-term disability typically covers you for a few weeks up to a year, providing quick financial relief for temporary conditions. Long-term disability, on the other hand, kicks in after short-term benefits run out and can last for several years or even until retirement, depending on your policy. Understanding the difference between these two types is crucial for choosing the right coverage for your needs. You might think disability insurance is only for people in dangerous jobs, but the truth is, anyone who relies on their income should consider it. Accidents and illnesses can happen to anyone, regardless of occupation. If you have bills to pay, a family to support, or financial goals to meet, disability insurance can be a smart way to safeguard your future. Let's look at some common scenarios where disability insurance can make a big difference. Many people assume disabilities are mostly caused by workplace accidents, but that's not always the case. In reality, most disabilities result from illnesses like cancer, heart disease, or chronic conditions. Accidents do happen, but they're less common than you might think. Knowing the real risks can help you better prepare and understand why disability insurance is so important for everyone. So, how does disability insurance actually work? When you become unable to work due to a covered illness or injury, you file a claim with your insurance provider. After a waiting period, known as the elimination period, you start receiving benefit payments. These payments typically replace a percentage of your lost income, helping you manage expenses while you recover. The process is designed to be straightforward, so you can focus on your health instead of worrying about money. The elimination period is the waiting time between when you become disabled and when your benefits begin. This period can range from a few days to several months, depending on your policy. It's important to know your elimination period because you'll need to cover your expenses during this time. Choosing a shorter elimination period usually means higher premiums, while a longer period can lower your costs but delay your benefits. Disability insurance doesn't usually replace your entire income. Most policies cover about 50% to 70% of your gross earnings. This amount is designed to help you meet essential expenses while still encouraging a return to work when you're able. The exact benefit depends on your policy, your income, and sometimes your occupation. It's important to review your policy details so you know what to expect if you ever need to file a claim. The length of time you can receive disability benefits depends on your policy. Short-term policies might pay for a few months, up to a year, while long-term policies can provide benefits for several years or even until you reach retirement age. It's crucial to understand your policy's benefit period so you can plan accordingly and avoid surprises if you ever need to rely on your coverage. To receive disability benefits, you must meet your policy's definition of disability. This usually means being unable to perform your job due to a covered illness or injury. Some policies have stricter definitions, while others are more flexible. Your doctor will need to provide medical evidence, and the insurance company may request additional information or exams. Understanding these requirements can help you prepare if you ever need to file a claim. Some disability policies pay benefits if you can't perform your specific job, known as own occupation coverage. Others only pay if you can't work in any job at all, called any occupation coverage. Own occupation policies are generally more expensive, but offer broader protection. Knowing which type you have is key to understanding when you'll qualify for benefits. Not all disabilities mean you can't work at all. Some policies offer partial disability benefits if you can work part-time or in a reduced capacity. These benefits help make up the difference between your reduced earnings and your pre-disability income. This feature can be especially helpful during recovery or if you can only return to work gradually. Every disability policy has exclusions and limitations. Common exclusions include pre-existing conditions, self-inflicted injuries, or disabilities caused by illegal activities. Some policies also limit coverage for mental health conditions or substance abuse. It's important to read your policy carefully so you know what is and isn't covered before you need to file a claim. Filing a disability insurance claim usually involves notifying your insurer, submitting medical documentation, and completing claim forms. Your doctor may need to provide detailed information about your condition. The insurer will review your claim and may request additional information or an independent medical exam. Staying organized and responding promptly can help speed up the process. Once you file your claim, the insurance company will review your application, medical records, and any other required documents. They may contact your doctor or request more information. If your claim is approved, you'll start receiving benefits after the elimination period. If it's denied, you have the right to appeal. Understanding this process can help you know what to expect and how to respond if issues arise. If your disability claim is denied, don't panic. You have the right to appeal the decision. Start by reviewing the denial letter to understand the reasons. Gather any additional medical evidence or documentation that supports your case. Submit your appeal within the required time frame, and consider seeking help from a professional if needed. Persistence and thoroughness can make a big difference in the outcome. Many employers offer disability insurance as part of their benefits package. These group policies can be a cost-effective way to get coverage, but they may have limitations compared to individual policies. It's important to understand what your employer's plan covers and whether you need additional private insurance to fill any gaps. If your employer doesn't offer disability insurance, or if you want more comprehensive coverage, you can purchase an individual policy. These policies are tailored to your specific needs and income, and they stay with you even if you change jobs. Individual policies may cost more, but often provide better protection and flexibility. In the United States, Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, is a federal program that provides benefits to people who can't work due to a severe disability. Qualifying for SSDI can be challenging, as you must meet strict medical and work history requirements. SSDI benefits can supplement private disability insurance, but they may not cover all your needs. Supplemental Security Income, SSI, is another federal program that helps people with disabilities who have limited income and resources. SSI is needs-based, so your financial situation determines eligibility. SSI can provide essential support if you don't qualify for SSDI or need additional help covering basic expenses. Some states offer their own disability insurance programs, providing short-term benefits to eligible workers. These programs vary by state, so it's important to check your local rules and see if you qualify. State programs can be a valuable resource, especially if you don't have private coverage or need extra support during a temporary disability. The cost of disability insurance, known as the premium, depends on several factors. These include your age, health, occupation, income, and the amount of coverage you choose. Riskier jobs or pre-existing health conditions can lead to higher premiums. Understanding how premiums are calculated can help you find the right balance between cost and coverage. Many disability insurance policies offer optional riders that can enhance your coverage. Common riders include cost of living adjustments, future purchase options, and residual disability benefits. Adding riders can increase your premium, but they may provide valuable extra protection tailored to your needs. Whether your disability benefits are taxable depends on how you pay your premiums. If you pay with after-tax dollars, your benefits are usually tax-free. If your employer pays the premiums or you use pre-tax dollars, your benefits may be taxable. Understanding the tax implications can help you plan your finances more effectively if you ever need to use your coverage. The best time to buy disability insurance is before you need it. Premiums are usually lower when you're younger and healthier. Waiting until you have a health issue or are older can make coverage more expensive or harder to get. Planning ahead ensures you're protected when life takes an unexpected turn. Determining how much disability insurance you need depends on your income, expenses, and financial goals. Start by calculating your monthly expenses and consider any other sources of income you might have. Most experts recommend covering at least 60% of your gross income. Reviewing your budget can help you choose the right benefit amount for your situation. If you have multiple sources of disability coverage, such as employer plans, private insurance, or government programs, it's important to understand how they work together. Some policies may reduce your benefit if you receive payments from other sources. Coordinating your coverage ensures you don't face unexpected gaps or overlaps in protection. Many people worry about what happens when they're ready to return to work after a disability. Some policies offer rehabilitation benefits or support services to help you transition back. Partial disability benefits can also ease the financial impact if you can only return part-time. Planning your return with your doctor and insurer can make the process smoother. Some disability insurance policies include rehabilitation and support services to help you recover and return to work. These may include physical therapy, job training, or counseling. Taking advantage of these services can improve your chances of a successful recovery and help you regain your independence. Inflation can erode the value of your disability benefits over time. Some policies offer a cost of living adjustment, COLA rider, which increases your benefits each year to keep up with rising expenses. Adding a COLA rider can help ensure your coverage remains adequate, especially for long-term disabilities. A future purchase option rider allows you to increase your disability coverage later without additional medical exams. This can be valuable if you expect your income to grow or your needs to change over time. Adding this rider gives you flexibility to adapt your coverage as your life evolves. Residual disability benefits help if you can work, but your income is reduced due to a disability. These benefits pay a portion of your lost earnings, making it easier to manage your finances during partial recovery. Not all policies include this feature, so check your coverage details. Mental health conditions, such as depression or anxiety, can also lead to disability. Some policies cover mental health-related disabilities, but coverage may be limited or subject to special rules. It's important to review your policy to understand what mental health conditions are covered and for how long. Most disability insurance policies exclude pre-existing conditions, meaning any health issues you had before purchasing the policy may not be covered. Some policies have waiting periods before coverage for pre-existing conditions begins. Always read the fine print and ask your insurer about any exclusions. If you're self-employed, disability insurance is especially important since you don't have employer-provided benefits. Individual policies can be tailored to your unique needs and income. Protecting your ability to earn is crucial when you run your own business or work as a freelancer. Stay-at-home parents may not earn a paycheck, but their work is valuable. Some insurers offer policies that cover homemakers, helping pay for childcare or household help if a disability occurs. If you manage a household, consider whether disability insurance could help protect your family's well-being. High-income earners may need additional coverage to maintain their lifestyle if they become disabled. Supplemental policies can provide higher benefit amounts or cover income above standard policy limits. If you have a high salary, review your coverage to ensure it meets your needs. Group disability policies, often provided by employers, are usually more affordable but may have less flexibility and lower benefit amounts. Individual policies offer more customization and portability, but can be more expensive. Weigh the pros and cons of each type to decide what's best for your situation. Life changes, and so do your insurance needs. It's important to review your disability policy regularly, especially after major life events like marriage, having children, or changing jobs. Keeping your coverage up to date ensures you're always protected. There are many myths about disability insurance, such as it's only for dangerous jobs, or the government will cover everything. In reality, most disabilities are caused by illness, and government programs may not provide enough support. Understanding the facts can help you make informed decisions about your coverage. Choosing the right disability insurance policy involves comparing coverage options, benefit amounts, waiting periods, and costs. Work with a trusted insurance advisor or use online tools to evaluate your options. Make sure the policy fits your needs and budget, and don't hesitate to ask questions before you buy. An insurance advisor can help you navigate the complexities of disability insurance. They can explain policy details, recommend coverage amounts, and help you find the best value for your needs. Don't be afraid to seek professional advice, especially if you have unique circumstances or questions. Good record keeping is essential for managing your disability insurance. Keep copies of your policy, claim forms, medical records, and correspondence with your insurer. Staying organized can help you file claims more easily and resolve any issues that arise. Disability insurance is a crucial tool for protecting your income and financial security if you can't work due to illness or injury. Understanding how policies work, what's covered, and how to file a claim can give you peace of mind. Review your options, ask questions, and make sure you have the right coverage for your needs. No one expects to become disabled, but being prepared can make all the difference. Disability insurance offers a safety net that lets you focus on recovery instead of worrying about finances. Take the time to understand your options and secure the coverage that's right for you and your loved ones.